Today guys, I show you how to upload videos on YouTube, on your PC or on your mobile. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and enjoy this video. Okay guys, all you need to do, just open your channel like me and go here in right corner and you will see this icon like upload. The same way it is on your phone, you will see this. Open this. On mobile you have to select video. On PC or laptop you need drag and drop. Just do this like me. And you have successful your video for upload. In this first section type here title of your video description here, go here next, add here like end screen and cards, just go here add cards and screens, wait for checks and go here public. After that just click here publish and your video is online on YouTube. And that's it all guys for this video, how to upload YouTube videos on your PC or on your mobile. If you find this guide helpful, like and subscribe to the channel and I see you in the next video.